Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be listing all the differences between a Chromebook and a Windows laptop. And be sure to stick around till the end because I'm going to be telling you which is a better option to go for. So without any further delay, let's hop in. Alright guys, well the first difference that you'll notice between a Chromebook and a Windows laptop is regarding the OS or the operating system. So obviously Windows laptops come with Windows, but Chromebooks actually come with Chrome OS. So Chrome OS is way more light in weight when you compare it to Windows, and it utilizes less resources as well. Now this is actually super useful. So for example, say that you have a budget for about 20,000 rupees here in India. If you pick up a laptop, then it's highly probable that it will give you lag, stutters, and a lot of hiccups here and there. So Windows is way more heavier, and the hardware, it is limiting up to a certain limit. So this is where a Chromebook will actually come in play. It will probably give you better performance at this price range. Now with that being said, there are a few things you can do on the Chromebook, but there are a lot of things you cannot do when you compare it to a Windows laptop. And this seems to be a good segue to talk about the pros and cons. So let's start with the pros. So first up, the battery life on Chromebooks are actually way better when you compare it to Windows laptops. Now that is actually because Chrome OS utilizes less resources and it is much more light in weight. And all in all, the battery life on Chromebooks is much better when you compare it to a Windows laptop. Well, next up, Chromebooks come with the Google Play Store inbuilt. So if you actually want this on a Windows laptop, you'll probably have to go ahead and download BlueStacks, or this feature is anyway available natively in Windows 11. But Google Play Store comes inbuilt in Chromebook, so you can pretty much run any Android app as well. And well, next up, a lot of Chromebooks, even the budget ones like 15-16K Chromebooks, come with touchscreen. So if you compare this to Windows laptops, then they are way more expensive. Now with that being said, let's talk about a few cons about a Chromebook. So for example, you cannot use shortcut keys like Control A, Control C, Control V, Control X, etc. Because this is not Windows, it's Chrome OS, and these shortcut keys, they do not work in Chrome OS. And next up, you cannot run heavy softwares on a Chromebook like Adobe Premiere Pro, Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator, After Effects, etc. So whatever softwares you use on a Windows laptop, mostly you cannot get the support for it on a Chromebook. So finally, who should buy a Chromebook and who should buy a Windows laptop? So you have to understand that a Chromebook, you can actually do really lightweight tasks. So to give you all a good example, during this pandemic, all the kids had online classes, right? Now here's what a lot of parents did. They actually bought them a phone or a tablet to attend that. Well, in this scenario, you can consider a Chromebook as well. Now, apart from that, if you'd like to, use MS Office, or, you would like to scroll the web, watch a few YouTube videos, then for all that, a Chromebook is actually pretty good. Now, you cannot, do anything crazy on this, like as I mentioned, heavy gaming and, run Adobe After Effects, Premiere Pro and all that. And if you do want to, run a lot of heavy games, use After Effects, Premiere Pro, Photoshop, etc., then it's better for you to go with a Windows laptop. Now, if you do not know how to pick the perfect Windows laptop, then I've actually made a laptop buying guide. I'll leave that video here in the cards and in the description box below. So definitely go ahead and check it out. And well, I'll leave you guys with that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you all in my next one. Peace out.